Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mithil Shah and today we are going to talk about what should be our strategy since the NEET MDS exam is postponed. So like what should be our strategy for the NEET MDS exam if it gets postponed? Because I know most of us would have been panicked. We have studied really very hard. There are people who are repeating. There are people who are repeating since last 2 years. They are slogging since last 2 years to give this exam, and it is really very important for them. And the government has suddenly filled the forms, and then they've announced the exams are postponed to 6 months. And this is what had happened with us also. We had given our exams in NEET MDS in December 2020, and our results were out by 30th December 2020, and we waited so long for 10 months just to get admitted in our dream MDS fields, clinical fields and MDS colleges. So what next? So I would be talking with four kind of people. First would be the people who have already, who have not at all started their preparations. This would be the first kind of people. Second kind of people would be the interns who have slogged really very hard. They have studied really very hard, and they are really very frustrated since they had bunked almost all their postings and they were studying or something like that, and now suddenly the exams are gone and you are facing like, what should we do? We did not do the postings also well. So I would be talking with this category of people also. Third, I would like to talk to the people who are repeating since last 2 years or since last 1 year, or people who have not took admissions and they are repeating one more year, so that they thought that the exam would be in December and they would be getting admitted with good ranks and good score. So I would be talking with that kind of people also. So first, to the people who have not at all prepared, dude, this is the right time you start studying. If God has really gifted you, are really very lucky. God has gifted you this time. This is the time to invest in your studies and move ahead and crack this exam. This is really very important for you, because if you don't do it now, it is never going to happen. Even if you have not started your preparation, it is really a right time to start your preparations, I would say. Okay, so interns, keep that thing in mind, who have not studied at all and who had just thought to give their NEET MDS and they were thinking, I'll give it next year. Now is the time you give it and crack it in June. This is the time. Second, people who have studied really very nicely, interns, don't worry. Clinical, you will come out, you will learn, don't worry. Really study really very hard. This 6 months are a gift to you again. You have already slogged so much, you'll do it again. Okay, so really polish all the things which you were not able to do it because of your internships. There would be some things where you would be weak, like pharmac, like any subject which you are weak in and you could not give in time. Invest the time there. Okay, this is the time for you. And finally, the people who have repeated or who have not took admission and who thought that I'll give the exam again, what should I do? So for this people, I would say, uh, after giving your INI-CET exams, which are coming now on 18th, I guess. So you take a break. You take a break after exam. You deserve it, because if you'll get saturated, you won't be able to crack your exams in June. And I'm not joking. Your brain is really very saturated. Either you have repeated last year also, you are repeating this year also. Either you had studied last year, you were intern last year, and you had repeated this year. You need a break, guys. You really need a break. Go take a break, spend some time with your family, come and bounce back on your studies. This would be a really great strategy, and if I would have been in your place, I would have done the same thing. And this is with experience that I'm telling you. I had also repeated one more year, and I know the saturation level which you face in the last 2 months of exams. Okay, so if you take a break now, you will be able to bounce back. If someone asks me how much break to it depends upon you. If I would be there, I would have taken a break of 10 to 15 days. You can take a maximum break of one month, but I would not suggest that. 10 to 15 days is okay. Take a break, come and bounce back on your studies. Okay, so this is all. I won't take much of your time. Do like, subscribe and share my channel, and do hit the bell icon if you want to stay tuned, stay motivated with your preparations. I'm always there. Do leave a comment. in the comment section. If you have any kind of doubt, if you have any queries, anything, I'm always there for you. Thank you so much. Dr. Mithil Shah signing off.